leyo hearing ayikho formal, even if informal, the employee must be granted a proper opportunity to prepare for the hearing. Okay? Siya ku point number 2 under disciplinary hearing. Employee representation. The employee is entitled to the assistance of a trade union representative or a fellow employee. Like myself, I'm a fellow employee. Umthetho uyavuma ukuthi kena uma la ngisebenza khona ukhona ucolleague wami oba nenkinga, as myself nginguthula Sizwe Nkabinde, ngikuthatha very serious ukuthi ngistudishe ama-labor legislations for the importance of protecting our jobs. Ngiyakwazi ukuthi kena nginikeze i-assistance yami to my fellow employee ukuthi prepare i-hearing yakhe. I cannot be in trouble for helping my fellow employee ukuthi kena prepare for a-hearing. And umthetho uyaqhuba uthi kena an employee has a right ukuthola i-assistance ku-trade union. If you are under any trade union, it is your right as an employee that you get assistance from your trade union. Alright? Point number 3 under disciplinary hearing. Fair hearing. Okay? Uthini umthetho under fair hearing? Uthi the hearing should be conducted fairly, allowing the employee to present their case and respond to the allegations. I think this is very clear, and konke lokho engithe ukuthi ngikuchaze as we commence, I've been explaining this point. Okay, let's go to procedure number 3. Procedure number 3 is disciplinary action. Please kuthathele emqondweni ukulandelana kwalama procedure lawa, because it's very much important, because uzowadinga mhla uba senkingeni ukuthi